Hi everyone, good morning you all. It is 9 a.m. in the morning. I just woke up like 15 minutes back. Today's video is like really spontaneous. Recently I had posted this picture on Instagram which surprised a lot of you. Yes, I have in total reduced 13 kgs till now and still counting. I have to reduce 5 more kgs. That's what my target is. So I thought of doing this video where I'm going to show you what I eat throughout the day. Now my meals are like really simple and home oriented food is something that I eat. That's what I prefer. It's not like I don't eat junk food or outside food. I eat everything unhealthy at the same time, but it's just that I know how to balance it all out now. I've just got the trick to balance the diet. But also I'm working out a lot these days. I'm working out like 5 to 6 times in a week. So staying persistent with your workouts and controlling the diet is the key that has worked for me. I mean, that's something that has really worked in my favor. So I'm just going to very quickly show you what I eat, starting from the breakfast to my pre-workout meal to lunch, evening snack, dinner, everything. So I'm quite excited for this kind of a video because this is the first time I'm doing and I'm quite excited to do this. So let's see how it goes. Okay, see you. So I start my day with a cup of kadha. I take this kadha tea bag every morning, which basically has tulsi, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, black pepper, turmeric and clove along with lemon flavor. It's a must try to give yourself an immunity boost. Along with this comes in handful of dry fruits, which is going to be my pre-workout meal. So after that I start my workout. I've been working out a lot lately and I do home workouts. So I'm exercising for approximately 1 hour and that's going to be 5 times a week for sure. I have surely come a long way in these 5 months, but I have more to achieve. So fingers crossed. So today was a brutal leg day and this is what I have achieved. So after my workout, I love taking smoothies as my breakfast. So this is actually a green smoothie which has mango, banana, spinach, milk, a dash of lemon, honey, and it also has a spoonful of seeds in it. So if you prioritize ingredients low in calorie and high in protein and fiber, your smoothie may keep you full until your next meal. So it is time for me to take my multivitamins, and I always take my multivitamins after a meal because I think that these vitamins and minerals kind of just utilize the carbohydrates and keep your post-meal energy level high. So which is why I am, as a habit, as a routine these days, I'm taking the nano iron melts and natural vitamin D3 melts by Wellbeing Nutrition. These melts are definitely more tastier and more effective and easier to consume than the other multivitamin pills and gummies and capsules because they dissolve on your tongue and go directly into your bloodstream instead of your gut, where a large percentage of the nutrients are generally lost. The nano iron melts have been formulated with micro encapsulated salts and other organic ingredients which kind of just make sure to keep your hemoglobin in check. It also keeps your iron deficiencies in check and also just kind of generally maintains your energy level at all times. While the vitamin D3 melts will keep your vitamin D deficiencies in check, it will give you stronger bones, a better immunity and will also uplift your mood, which is I think really great. So both these melts are absolutely natural. They're made from organic ingredients. They're gluten-free and they are sugar-free as well. Now both these products come together to give you energy so you don't feel fatigued. Also improves your immunity and keeps you away from falling sick. Take one strip daily after any meal, place it on your tongue and allow it to dissolve naturally. So if you think that you have vitamin D3 deficiency or iron deficiency, and these two things are really common nowadays by the way, so make sure that you get yourself these nano strips. Just take one strip per day and these boxes have 30 oral thin strips in total. So this is going to be your complete month's supply. Now it's lunchtime and today's menu has Shahi Paneer on it and I will be taking rice with this. So I make sure to focus more on the veggies and the dal that's been cooked for that particular meal rather than focusing on roti and rice. So I'm plating myself in a big bowl like a one-pot meal. This I think is very convenient and also restricts you from overeating. So I'm just taking shahi paneer and rice in a bowl, and that's going to be my lunch. I think it's best to eat every 4 to 5 hours to keep your energy up and avoid big mealtime binges. So today for my evening snack, I'm taking this egg salad where I have just chopped some tomato and cucumbers, and I've also chopped 2 boiled eggs as well. I have mixed it all in a bowl, squeezed some lemon in it along with salt, black pepper and Italian seasoning for the taste. Trust me, this is super tasty, protein rich and quite filling to the stomach. I also wanted to let you know that I make sure to drink a lot of water, at least 3 liters on an average per day. Water is actually the solution to a lot of problems, trust me. So as you can see that I have reduced 625 kilocalories since morning while I completed workout with 310 kilocalories. So the balanced calories that I've reduced are by standing, walking and just by moving the body. For dinner, it's going to be really simple. I made just a very quick version of mixed veg where I had put some veggies that I could see in my fridge. And I will be having this along with 2 chapatis and homemade curd. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I had so much fun shooting it and I will see you very soon. Bye.